In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on conversation intelligence in HubSpot. Conversation intelligence helps you automatically transcribe and analyze your calls so you can review key moments, coach your team, and capture accurate notes without the manual work. To follow along, make sure you're signed into your HubSpot account with permission to edit calling settings, and that your subscription includes access to call transcription and analysis. We'll start from the trial guide inside your HubSpot portal. From there, open your account settings by clicking the gear icon. This takes you to the main settings area where all calling and recording features are managed. In the left sidebar, look for calling and select it. This section controls how your team places calls, what's recorded, and how intelligence features work across your account. Once you're on the calling page, choose Call Setup. Think of Call Setup as the hub where you'll configure the details that impact all users who place calls from HubSpot. Next, open Call Configurations. This is where the global options live for numbers, recording behavior, and intelligence features. Take a moment to scan the page so you know where everything is. The setting we need is labeled Transcription and Analysis. Find that option and toggle it on to enable conversation intelligence. If you ever need to pause it later, you can come back and toggle it off the same way. When this is enabled, HubSpot will transcribe and analyze future calls made through the calling tool or supported providers, as long as call recording is allowed. Transcripts typically attach to the call record and the associated contact, giving you searchable notes, speaker-separated text, and insights like key terms and talk-to-listen ratios. Some portals also display automatic highlights to help with coaching and follow-up. A few quick tips as you turn this on. Always comply with your local and recipient call recording laws, and make sure callers are trained to announce and obtain consent when required. If your team calls in multiple languages, check that your subscription supports transcription for those languages. And remember, the change applies going forward. Past calls won't be transcribed retroactively. Most settings save automatically, but give it a moment to apply across your account. After your next calls, look for the transcript and analysis on the call timeline in the contact record to confirm it's working. That's it. You opened the trial guide, went into settings, selected calling, chose call setup, opened call configurations, and enabled transcription and analysis. With conversation intelligence on, your team gains clearer visibility into every conversation and more time to focus on outcomes.